Imagine yourself on a wheelchair or lying down on a bed, unable to walk and can barely see things, can hardly breathe. Will you prefer dying or living for more few years to see your sons or daughters or grandsons growing up to live with them? Imagine that you are suffering from some pain due to illness. Will you prefer dying or living or finding a treatment to your illness? Many families have patients suffering due to illness, and some have terminally ill. After researching the subject, I have found many patients died due to the bad care they have got since some countries have legalized euthanasia. There are many reasons why euthanasia is not good and shouldn't be legalized, and some of these reasons are euthanasia has been prohibited by the medical profession for 2,000 years. Nobody should control a person's death or play God, and it leads to less good care for the terminally ill. Let's first talk about the Hippocratic Oath. According to the website broconog.org, the Professor William Cass says, as the first promise of self-inhibitor sworn to in the Hippocratic Oath is the prohibition against killing patients. As medicine's primary taboo, I will neither give a deadly drug to anybody if asked for it, nor will I make a suggestion to this effect. William Cass also says the Hippocratic physicians rejects the view of giving the patient the poison when asked for it, as it is the patient's choice. As it's the patient's choice of his death is his right. We all know that nobody can prevent his own death. You can live for a long time untroubled or even without health problems, but nobody can be sure about what will happen in the future or how soon they will die. Some people think that euthanasia is the best way of ending a life in a painless manner to relieve people from suffering. But many people disagree with this. Many people think euthanasia is a crime, especially in the religion sectors. Most of the religions believe that God only can take lives, which means no one has the right to kill people or to help people to die, but God. According to Islam religion, Allah says in His book Al-Quran that killing a soul, unless for a soul or for a corruption in the earth, is as killing all mankind entirely, and saving a life is as saving mankind entirely. Also, according to John Walker, the author from the book The Concise Oxford Dictionary of World Religions, Catholic leaders believe that life is the most basic gift from God, and everyone should take care of his own life and care and health, and one must never directly intend to cause one's own death or the death of an innocent victim, because that's against God's will. Also, euthanasia could lead to less good care for the terminally ill if doctors started doing it as a solution of ending patients' suffering. According to Cabell, an author from the journal The Medical Ethics, the euthanasia is legal in Belgium, Oregon, and the Netherlands. Well, in these countries it's legal, which caused the bad health care in these countries admit the euthanasia doctors uninterested in improving or developing any techniques in the health department. Also, according to the website life.org, as the Dutch experienced doctors detects, euthanasia doctors tend to be uninterested and careless in palliative care. It's easier for doctors to rule euthanasia than learning techniques for caring for the dying. We should be fighting to reduce palliative care for all and not to kill those in the end stage of terminal illness. In conclusion, there are many reasons why euthanasia shouldn't be legalized, and these reasons are the Hippocratic Oath, nobody should control somebody's life, and at least to risk good care for the terminally ill. It's true that it's hard to see people suffering, but it would be better to prolong someone's life with quality care. It's true that it's hard to see people suffering, but it would be better to prolong someone's life with quality care than to end it prematurely.